Good afternoon again. So we're here really, so we're reaching out to the local business community. So we've been doing this. We've been going around and talking to the local chambers, right? To update them of what's new with To Go, right? The services that we offer and how we can help them in terms of any pain point that they're experiencing when it comes to logistics, right? So we consider Cebu to be really the gateway, and we consider it's a bridge linking really Luzon to Mindanao. So we'd like to understand if there's any other solution that we can provide to all of the local businesses here in Cebu.
Existing na ho tayo yung operation. So ano yung
Yes.
bago ng tubo ngayon?
So, madami, no? There are a lot of business new services that we're offering aside from the end-to-end service that we provide, as a forwarding company, right? There are new routes, right? As mentioned earlier in the discussion that we're offering, there's a Batangas Cebu route already, and also that we're offering. Well, we've been promoting already Manila Siargao, right? And then we also have our Cebu Palawan, and so there are really new routes that we are promoting and new services that we are extending to our customers as a result of all of the pain points that the market is experiencing.
Anong inaasahan mo natin sa to go in terms of destination, yung 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 mabuksan natin ng mga bagong ruta.
Okay, so not just the routes, no, because we offer multimodal transport, air, land, sea, right? So we want to give access. We want to make sure that we provide solution para to address the problems, whether it's cost, right? It's the connectivity or how to bring their goods there the most cost efficient way, right? So and as part of the SM group of companies as well. So we were able to provide extend of course our service to the SM ecosystem as well, 'di ba? We're here also because we're opening up new services like the mall logistics. We are a partner also of SMX, and because Cebu is opening up, right? We have the big SMC side here, we have the SM Arena, we have the SMX. So those who are, we will be providing seamless service, right? For any tenants in the malls or any exhibitors who will be joining eventually the XMX events, right? So we're here to provide solution, provide convenience for any transport requirements.
Aside from you mentioned SMX, SMC,
Sid, Arena.
Yung
Na,
kapwa nyo
Oo.
within the
Yes.
umbrella of SM
SM
Group.
Group.
But the local businesses, as requested by the
Yes.
CCI President,
Yes. Yeah.
Richard King,
Yes.
he's requesting for at least concern, no? Isang tao na
Oo,
pwede nang
oo,
kausapin
oo, oo.
for their concern
Yes.
also with their
Yes.
businesses.
Oo, oo. So, I mean, we're part, as mentioned, we're part of a bigger group, right? Yeah, we took note of that, and we are the enabler, right? So we can discuss that, us being the enabler, because we're the logistics and the logistics group, right? So they can talk to go really as that's why we call ourselves one to go, right? They can talk to go as a company, and whatever's a pain point or any business venture they want to get into, if it's within the SM umbrella, of course we can extend assistance.
Okay, mention ho ni the Assistant Regional Director Evelyn about the potential ho ng Visayas for the
Yes.
connectivity,
Yes.
and marami pang ruta na
Oo,
kailangan
oo,
pang abutin.
oo, oo,
So,
oo.
ano plano po for the
That's why we're reaching out to the local chambers, to the local business community, right? Because we want to pay it forward, right? So we want to help the local business communities, but of course it's a partnership. If we are ready to invest new routes, more schedule, more sailing, more frequency, right? A more solution to and from the region, right? So we need to really talk to the local business, to the business community, right? For us to be able to help each other to get to that level, right? And to that dream of really expanding, encouraging more businesses to thrive here in Cebu.
Okay, lastly ma'am, your message for the Cebuanos.
Oo, maraming salamat sa mga Cebuanos. You know, grabe, the Cebuano people are very hospitable. Tamang-tama talaga yung sinasabi ni Mr. Regan King, no? It all starts with that, right? And there's really big opportunity. We will always be here to go. We'll always be here to support all of the local businesses and the community of Cebu. So, thank you. We're always ready to go for Cebu.